Closing arguments have concluded in the case against the former Texas police chief charged with double murder. Timothy Dean, who used to be chief of police of the small town of Sunray, Texas, is accused of killing Joshua Niles and Amber Washburn last October in Sodus over a child custody dispute. Charlene Childers, Dean's wife, and Bron Bowler, who used to work with Dean in the police department, helped rent the getaway car used in the murder. According to prosecutors, they both testified in court laying out what happened. Stephanie Golden shows us what both had to say as closing arguments took place.
The fate of Timothy Dean is one step closer now that closing arguments in his trial are over. Dean's attorney told the jury that the prosecution failed to prove Dean was the one who shot and killed Joshua Niles and Amber Washburn. Childers testified she wanted Niles dead and Dean agreed to commit the murders. But D'Amelio told the jury testimony from Childers and another witness, Dean's ex-colleague Bron Bowler, was not credible. He called them a liar, a thief, and a cheat.
If I took Webster's dictionary right now and I looked up the word liar, Charlene's picture is going to be right next to it. And Bron Bowler, by his own admission, he's not too far away.
D'Amelio also blasted the testimony of a neighbor who witnessed the shooting, noting that her written statement to police said she could not see the shooter's face. But the prosecutor asked the jury to use their common sense and put all facts together. Catherine Callanan says the DNA on the ski mask found at the crime scene, the rental car Dean drove to New York, the phone records, and the witness IDs all prove Dean was the shooter.
It's not one person, not one piece of testimony, not one piece of evidence. You put it all together, ladies and gentlemen, and it is proof beyond a reasonable doubt.
Before the jury was excused, Dean's attorney asked for the charges to be dismissed twice. Both times, Judge Barrett refused. Back to you.
All right, Stephanie, thank you. Deliberations are expected to begin tomorrow morning at 9.